Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can join the U.S. military. I know, sounds kind of scary, right? But all jokes aside, here are a few steps that I recommend you take if you want to enter the U.S. military. Number one is browse whatever branch you're interested in, browse their online website, because at times they will have job postings that offer 25, 50, 75, even $100,000 bonuses for that job specifically. So you definitely browse that website and see what bonuses they offer. Number two, decide what job you really want. A lot of times people go into the recruiting office and they don't have any idea of what they want to do, and they get stuck with either infantry or boatswain mate if you're with the Navy, which is basically cleaning the ship. And those are jobs that well, in my opinion, you don't want, because why stress, work hard, shed tears, bleed at times when you could be sitting in the office with AC and practically be getting paid the same? Everybody gets paid the same until you make a certain rank. So you can have it, buddy. Also, any medical problems, I recommend you see your doctor before. Have them sign off on a paper that says, hey, I'm good to go. I'm ready to join the military. I don't have any problems. Because they're going to give you a paperwork and you're supposed to check yes or no if you have any of the medical problems that they have listed. If you put yes for any one of them, it can take the process being 2 weeks all the way to almost a year. Trust me, don't do it. Any criminal problems, felonies, I don't believe you can join the military with any felonies, but misdemeanors, yes. You would just need a waiver, depending on what misdemeanor it is, as long as it's not breach of trust, I believe, and any firearm charge. You should be good to go. Next, go to the recruiting office with a list of jobs that you are interested in joining practically, and tell the recruiter, hey, if I can't get any one of these jobs, I do not want to join the military. 9 times out of 10, they're on a quota, so they will make sure that you have one of those jobs. Next, filling out the forms, what I talked about previously, the medical forms. No, 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 no. Just leave it at that. We're going to move on, trust me. Next, you're going to go take the ASVAB or PICAT, depending on which one you take. You could take it either at home or you could take it at the recruiting office. I took mine at the recruiting office. It took about 2 hours at most. Got my score. They printed out a sheet of jobs that I qualified for. Thankfully, the job that I was interested in was one of those jobs. Then you're going to go to Meps. Meps, oh my goodness, man. When I say Meps is a long process, I was at Meps, I believe 12 hours. 12 hours I was at Meps. And what Meps is pretty much the military's portion of a physical. So you go there, they check your blood, they check your piss to make sure that you don't have any drugs in your system. They make sure you're physically fit to join the military. And when I say it took all day, it took all day. So just be prepared, bring a blanket, wear long sleeves because it is cold in there. Next, basic training before the military. So your recruiter should get in contact with you. You should be doing a series of steps, long jump, planking, running for a certain distance. It's pretty easy, but it's nowhere near what you're going to be shown at boot camp. So just try your hardest, work hard, hydrate. Those are my tips for you on that. Then you get shipped out. When you get shipped out, you're going to go to basic training and get ready, because your life will change from that point on forward. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit my Instagram. It is in the description, and we'll be back with another video. Thank you.